Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a compilation of real-life road incidents, each providing valuable lessons on driving safely. From hurried intersections to rainy day challenges, let's dissect these scenarios and extract insights for safer driving. But before we begin, if you find this content helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Now, let's get started. Our first scene unfolds with a motorcyclist in a hurry at the intersection. Watch the consequences of rushing on the road and the importance of patience. In next scene, a car driver, not paying attention, collides with the rear of a truck. This incident highlights the consequences of distracted driving. Moving on to next dashcam footage, the white car driver moves backward without maintaining distance, leading to potential issues. Let's practice the importance of maintaining awareness in different road conditions. In this clip, our car driver should have waited for the cyclist to pass, but impatience led to a scratch. Patience is a virtue, especially at intersections. Let's learn from this incident. In our next scene, a motorcyclist not paying attention at the intersection collides with a car. It underscores the importance of being alert, especially at crucial points on the road. Our next scene takes us to a signal-free intersection where a motorcyclist collides with a car. Navigating intersections requires caution. In this clip, two cars collide at the intersection. This incident emphasizes the necessity of patience and caution when navigating through these complex points. Our next footage unfolds on a rainy day where visibility is low. Our driver hits a pedestrian, highlighting the challenges of rainy day driving. Let's understand the precautions needed in such conditions. This scene unfolds with a white car driver in a hurry at the intersection, neglecting to use a turn signal. Let's learn the consequences of impatience and the importance of signaling. A car unexpectedly crosses the intersection, prompting our driver to avoid a collision. Please explore the dynamics of quick decision-making in challenging situations. In our next scene, negligence on the part of a truck driver leads to a wooden log hitting our car. It is the responsibility of truck drivers in securing their cargo. Next clip unfolds on a rainy day where our car slips while taking a sharp turn, ending up in a ditch. Drivers must explore the challenges of wet roads and the precautions necessary. In this unfortunate incident, a foolish driver loses control on a muddy road, colliding with our car. Drivers must learn the importance of patience and control, especially in challenging road conditions. Next scene showcases a black sedan losing control on a wet road, colliding with a red car. Caution becomes paramount during the rainy season. At a narrow turn, a black car collides with ours, failing to maintain its lane. The car drivers should understand the importance of adhering to lane discipline, especially on challenging roads. Next scene takes us to the highway, where our driver, trying to avoid an overtaking car, loses control and collides with the road median. Our next clip showcases a speeding black car losing control during a clash with other vehicles. The driver's reckless behavior led to this intense collision. Let's take a look. Expressways demand constant attention, and this next incident proves just that. Watch how a truck's rear tires burst, creating a potential fire hazard. Moving on to next scene, we have a scooter rider who wasn't paying attention while crossing an intersection. The result: a collision with our car. Things get intense when a driver from the adjacent lane suddenly changes lanes and collides with our car. This is a classic example of how sudden lane changes can lead to chaos on the road. Watch closely in next scene as the driver of a white sedan struggles with parking, hitting a parked car not once, but 3 times. It seems like this driver could use a bit more practice. At an intersection, a car turns without checking oncoming traffic, triggering a chain reaction of collisions with other vehicles. Let's see how it all unfolds in this scene. A small loader truck tries to avoid a collision at an intersection but ends up hitting a car, possibly at high speed. A cyclist turns at a green signal without paying attention, resulting in a collision with our car. We've got a scooter rider making a surprising turn right in front of a car. A scooter rider fails to stop and check for oncoming cars while crossing the road, leading to a collision. Watch closely, and let's learn what could have been done differently. Moving on to next clip, a scooter rider's lack of caution while turning results in a collision with our car. Hold on tight for this footage, where a cyclist on the wrong side of the road collides with our car. It's a classic example of the importance of following traffic rules. You won't believe what happens in CCTV footage. While parking in front of a restaurant, a car driver hits the gas pedal instead of the brake, resulting in a surprising crash. Thankfully, there were no major injuries. Let's watch this parking mishap. This scene unfolds with the cyclist not paying attention, suddenly changing lanes, and colliding with our car. In next clip, a motor tricycle suddenly changes lanes, resulting in a collision with our car. A motorcyclist breaks the signal at an intersection and pays the price. Learn the importance of following traffic signals and the consequences of disregarding them. Our next scene is a stark reminder of how a sudden road crossing can lead to disaster. A pedestrian comes in front of a car and ends up badly hit. Let's dissect the footage and understand the potential reasons behind this tragic incident. Hold on tight for next footage, where a speeding car collides with a motorcycle from behind, causing an uncontrollable crash that affects another vehicle on the road. The intensity of this collision is jaw-dropping. Let's take a closer look. In this scene, a two-wheeler driver's lack of attention at an intersection results in a collision with a truck. This incident emphasizes the critical importance of staying focused while navigating through intersections. Let's analyze what went wrong. Our final scene is a heart-wrenching moment where a bike rider crosses the road, comes into the side of a truck driver, and tragically gets hit. It's a harsh reminder of the potential consequences when pedestrians and drivers fail to communicate effectively. Let's learn the implications of this unfortunate event. And there you have it, a series of shocking road incidents that serve as a powerful reminder to prioritize safety on the streets. If you found this video eye-opening, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share it with your friends and family. Let's all contribute to making our roads safer. Until next time, drive responsibly and stay tuned for more insightful content.